Welcome to the Cooler Report. I'm going to introduce our newest products. On my right hand, you can see this unit is for the seafood displays and for lab display, and they can put like a lobsters or crab or crawfish or fish. And we're having 12 containers for the units. Let's take a look at the overall sizes first. The unit's entire length is almost like a 79.5 inches long. And the overall height is about like a 66.5 inches tall. And the overall depth about like a 37 and 3 4 inches deep. So as you can see, the units will have 12 containers at the front, and they have 3 layers, and coming with the LED lights on each of the layer. And also we can see we're having the switches on the other side and the controllers right here. Now let's take a look at the container size. This container is about like a 15 inches deep on the second layers. And top layer is also the 15 inches. And the bottom will be 17 inches deep. And the 14 inches tall. The second layer, 14 inches tall. And top layers, also 14 inches tall. This is all the information about the front view, and let's take a look at the back side. As you can see, the back side, we're also having the compressor system mounting on the units at the back side. And we're having the water pumps right here and the air pumps right here. And they have a big circulating tanks for the water flows. And this connect with the cooling systems. So this will be the all information about our products. If you have more questions, please contact with us. Thank you so much.